You're putting a brick inside of the
Yeah,
washing
the brick
machine.
is going to start. See how fast it's going, and then we're going to throw in a brick.
Yep.
Whoa! We plug the door so that we can have it open while it's spinning. The machine's not built to do that. And we taped over the safety, and we took off the shock so that it's not going to absorb any of the shock. Instead, as soon as the brick goes in,
What it looks like when a brick gets tossed into a spinning washing machine. I just feel like the brick is gonna come flying out.
Dude!